famous the love. Acerca del amor. Acerca del amor.
We have to talk about love.
Hey, what is your name?
Dave. Okay, we're going to talk about love.
What is love for you?
Love to me is inside and outside when somebody can take care of another person. When you can take care of somebody and help them through their life.
Para mí el amor es algo especial, es algo bonito, es algo para vivir.
Love is a misunderstanding between two fools.
Love is a very special word. The world needs love. If everybody thought about love, we know there would be no war. Let's all say peace in this world, not just during the happy holiday season, but every day of our year, of our decade, of our centuries, forever and ever and ever. So when election time comes, let's think about who loves love. Have a great day.